All right, what's going on, guys? And today we have the Drz4Sm, and it's half put together because we got to put in the flashed ECU. We went with two-wheel Dynoworks with the full exhaust and some of the airbox mods. You have to flash the ECU for it to not run too lean. Actually, it's recommended for either mod, really, the exhaust or just the airbox modifications. It's recommended to flash the ECU. We went with the full exhaust and the snorkel removed and the airbox lid removal. So I wanted to wait a little bit of time, so that's why I hadn't had a video out sooner, because I wanted to make sure that we got the best flash for this bike with all the freebie mods that were coming out. So we did go ahead and remove the airbox lid. I'll show you how to do that, and we'll put this bike back together and take it for a test ride. All right, so up first I just wanted to show quickly how to remove the airbox lid door. So to take this off, you need a Phillips screwdriver to remove this Phillips screw. And to remove these hinges, it's just these pull clips that you just pull out. And with the clip removed, the hinge itself will kind of slide out like that. And then you can pull the door off. All right, and you can see I cable tied the O2 sensor just up to where it was connected. I did go ahead and wrap electrical tape around it. That way, no debris and stuff can get into the connection. Now we're going to reconnect the ECU and reconnect the battery. All right, now we get it started up, and hopefully no check engine lights. Holy cow. All right, no check engine light. Let's go take it for a ride. All right, taking the DRZ out, testing out the ECU flash. Seeing how she feels. Driving through the neighborhood, it felt super smooth still. And she definitely sounds meaner, especially with the airbox mod, or the airbox lid removed. It's definitely louder too. With the airbox lid removed, you can really hear it suck. Yeah, it definitely pulls harder. Especially in the upper rev range, which kind of matches the dyno graph. But yeah, definitely if you wanted to get around a car, it definitely pulls harder. And we're actually on my way to my buddy Nate's house. We're going to be testing out whether the new DRZ is officially faster with the same mods, the big three: intake, exhaust, and his is rejetted and mine's tuned. So we're gonna find out which one is faster. It's a pretty big jump, it feels like, in power, but it's gonna take a lot. And Nate's got a pretty sweet garage too. 20's cool, second gear. Okay. Dang. Oh shoot. That's dirty. He did me dirty there. Alright, well I think that finishes out my first ride on the Drz4Sm with the ECU flashed. I'd say I'm really happy with how it stayed smooth. It's not so jerky or anything like that. It's perfect all the way around for commuting and riding around town. It's still super fun for that, actually more fun, and definitely impressed with how much harder it pulls basically throughout the entire rev range. I'd say I'm a little surprised by it not wanting to wheelie easier in second, but it's still definitely easier than without the flash, and it's definitely recommended if you have either the exhaust, the snorkel removed, or if you have any desire to remove the airbox lid. Any of those together, separate, it is still recommended to get an ECU flash, so I'd say go all the way if you're going to do it and get as much power as you can out of the bike. I'm super happy with it. Super happy that it beats the old DRZ. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think it should have beat it more or you're happy that it beat it. And what's your thoughts on the bike? I love downshifting though, and it makes it even more fun with the airbox lid removed. It's just a little bit snappier sounding, and the bike just overall sounds super mean, like significantly meaner with the ECU flash than with it in without the ECU flashed. But yeah, the bike's awesome. I'm super stoked about it, and looking forward to riding it more around town and for our next tail trip. But I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Whoop. Whoop.